You don't need to create hundreds of products to start a print-on-demand business. Sometimes, one simple design placed on the right product can open up more opportunities than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to validate a mug design idea on Etsy, create the design using PrintKK AI, and turn it into a physical print-on-demand product without holding inventory or shipping anything yourself. You don't need hundreds of products to start with print-on-demand. Sometimes, all you need is one strong design idea that can be placed on a simple everyday product like a mug. Mugs are great for print-on-demand because they are practical, giftable, and easy to connect with different niches like birthdays, Mother's Day, teachers, pet lovers, couples, and more. But before we create any design, we need to validate the idea first. This is where many new sellers make mistakes. They create a design because they personally like it, but they don't check whether people are actually searching for or buying that type of product. So to avoid guessing, the first thing I'll do is go to Etsy and search for the type of mug design I want to create. For this example, a smart way to create designs people are already searching for is to combine 2 or 3 niches together. For example, instead of searching for cat clip art design, I could combine 2 or 3 niches to form one design. For example, watercolor plus cat plus floral design combines multiple popular styles into one design, helping you attract customers from different niche categories at the same time, and also makes your design unique. And since this niche are in high demand, there's a strong chance for it to be seen. After searching for this type of design on Etsy, I'm not just looking at random listings, I'm looking for signs of demand. I want to see whether listings have bestseller tags, if they're being added to carts, if they have recent reviews, and whether multiple sellers are creating similar product. These are all strong indicators that buyers are interested in that type of design. To make the research process faster, I use Alura, which is an Etsy analysis tool. After installing the Chrome extension, you'll start seeing the Alura icon directly inside the Etsy search results. By clicking on it, you can quickly analyze how a design has performed over the last 12 months. An even better option is opening the side panel, where you can compare how different listings are performing. You can filter results by top performing products and even see when each listing was uploaded. For example, you might notice a design that was uploaded recently but has already generated strong revenue. You may also find another listing performing well in a very similar style. The goal here isn't to copy another seller's work, but to understand the market and create something original in a style that already has proven demand. Once I validate the idea on Etsy, I now have a clearer direction. Instead of creating a random mug design, I already know the audience I'm targeting, the type of design they respond to, and the visual style that fits the product. So, since we're creating a mug as a physical product, we also don't need to worry about inventory anymore, because print-on-demand platforms make the process much easier. Your main focus becomes creating designs while the platform handles production and fulfillment. And the platform I recommend is PrintKK. PrintKK allows you to create physical products easily, even if you're just getting started. It provides access to a wide range of white label products, including apparel, accessories, and home decor items, without needing upfront inventory. One of the best parts is the integration with online stores. Once your store is connected, your designs can sync automatically. When a customer places an order, PrintKK handles the printing, packaging, and shipping behind the scenes. This gives you more time to focus on creating designs and improving your storefront. To create the design using AI, I used PrintKK AI. Before generating the image, I structured my prompt carefully by describing the background first, then the subject, and finally the art style. Since the platform uses an image-to-image workflow, I uploaded a reference image from Etsy to guide the art style direction. This helps the AI understand the type of aesthetic I'm aiming for while still producing an original result. After this, I selected the second AI model and I pasted my prompt. Once I was done, I reduced the similarity levels so the design stayed inspired by the reference without looking identical. Once I selected the aspect ratio and generated the image, the result kept the same visual feel while still appearing unique. If you'd like more clip art prompt ideas, I've added a free prompt list in the description. And a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting videos like this. To prepare the design for physical products, I connected my Etsy store to PrintKK through the store integration section. Then I selected a product, in this case a mug. Then I click on Start Design. After uploading the design, I positioned it correctly so it would appear properly on the product preview. Once everything looked good, I saved the design and moved to the product details section to edit the listing information. After filling in the details and publishing the product, it automatically appeared in my Etsy store. So the full process becomes simple. Validate the idea on Etsy, create the design with PrintKK AI, apply it to a product inside inside PrintKK, so if you've been creating digital designs and wondering how to turn them into physical products, mugs are a great way to start testing the print-on-demand model using PrintKK.